If you're preparing for the ARE and you're tired of studying alone, not knowing if what you're reviewing will actually show up on the exam, not having anyone to ask when something doesn't click, I want to tell you about Arena AI. The ARE has a 40 to 50% first-time failure rate, not because candidates aren't smart, but because most people are studying from scattered resources with no real feedback and no way to know if they're actually ready. Arena AI fixes that. It's the first platform to give you an AI study coach specifically trained on ARE content, available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Ask it anything. A concept you don't understand, a question you got wrong, how a code requirement applies to a real project, and you get an instant, accurate answer. No waiting, no guessing. On top of that, you get full-length timed mock exams for all 6 divisions, scenario-based practice questions with instant explanations, video lessons, flashcards, a complete core concepts guide built from the official NCARB ARE 5.0 guidelines, and a performance dashboard that shows you exactly where you stand against the 63% pass threshold. Everything you need to walk into the exam confident in one place. You can start today, free, no credit card required, 3 days of full access to everything. Enter the arena, conquer the exam, get licensed. Start your free trial at arenaai.net.